So today we're going to be diving into ElevenLabs and what exactly it is. So as you can see here, ElevenLabs is a AI platform that specializes in text-to-speech. It also has voice changers and sound effects. So you can upload your voice or any other, or literally record audio or upload audio that you already have and have it change using their methodology. You can also do sound effects, as you can see here, all kinds of different types, or you can do the voice isolator. But the most commonly used tool is the text-to-speech, and we'll show you how that works. So for instance, we'll say, hi, I am Tech Tips. How are you? And this is great if you want to automate your content without actually having to record your voice. So for instance, we're going to utilize Rachel, and they also have this option here for V3 to enhance it so it can sound more natural and realistic. So we're going to go ahead and click that, and it enhances it. Once you do that, you can go ahead and generate speech. Now, if you are on the free version and you signed in with your Google account or something else, you do get a limited amount of characters per month. And as you can see, it generates the speech just like that. But you do have a limited amount of credits per month. I think it's 10,000 per month. And if you want more, you'd have to go ahead and pay for that. But just showing you the natural version, the free version, we'll go ahead and keep that, and we will test out both. So let's go ahead and see.
Hi. I am Tech Tips.
So that doesn't sound super natural. Let's see this one.
Tech Tips. How are you?
And if you don't like it, you can go ahead and regenerate, as you can see here, or you can change the voice. Also, there are several, well, more than several, there's hundreds of voices, I believe, that you can utilize. Let's go ahead and try out Brian. This is a commonly used voice for AI, and we can go ahead and regenerate with the alpha and see what happens here. And then we'll generate speech once again. Maybe we'll keep it, and let's see what it does.
Hi, I am Tech Tips. How are you? Hi.
And you can test the other one.
I am Tech Tips.
And you can pick which one you like. And that's pretty much the most useful tool that you can utilize on ElevenLabs. Like I said, alongside the voice changer, the sound effects, but this is the most utilized tool on ElevenLabs. So hopefully you found that helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.